Meaning of epithet.
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 Epithet. An epithet is a term used to describe or characterize someone or something in a brief and often subjective way. It can be a positive trait, such as the brave, or a negative one, like the cowardly. The use of epithets can be seen in literature, politics, and everyday language. They can be used to evoke certain emotions or associations in the reader or listener, and are often used as a shorthand way of conveying a person or thing's essential nature. Overall, epithets serve as a succinct and impactful way of conveying meaning.